Hi there, Jenny. It's Marcy. You dropped your link to your website here in my Facebook post at the beginning of the week, and I am here to record your video as promised. Now, I work with businesses that provide, service-based businesses or ones that have a shop that you would go to and they've built themselves a website and they want to have it be seen. E-commerce is not the avenue that I do work in, but they kind of follow the same line as far as you want to get your website before your customers' eyes. So I'll kind of point out a few things that I don't being that I'm not into e-commerce, I don't know if you built this site yourself or if you're part of another company and that as an affiliate they allow you the website. So I don't know the answer to any of those questions, so I don't know if you have access to this or can do anything with it, but I'm just going to do a check here. So you can see this picture. I checked out to see how it was named. So it's named Promo Image 1. Now that's not something that a searcher, somebody looking for something on the internet, they're going to type that in, right? So that's all part of like search engine optimization. When people search things in there, Google wants to keep them on their search engine. That's how they make money. So they're going to do their very best to serve up the most relevant results so they can keep somebody there. How do they know what it is you do? By scanning, going out and crawling the web and looking at things like that. So all your pictures are great opportunities to, okay, Google, this is what we do, this is what we got. I love bamboo stuff, like I truly do. This is awesome. It was such a good, I'm so glad that I did this because I've come across so many businesses that I had no idea existed, and really interesting, awesome things. So this is great. So content. So content are your pictures, and then this is content. So people that have got e-commerce sites, if they could attach a blog, and you could do a lot of writing because there's only so much you can do in the description. But the more content that you have, like people that are just building your average website, for whatever, a service where they tend to just maybe have 75 words. Well, Google likes to see about 1,000 to 1,500 words, right? And really, you just go out and you kind of do some competitor research, find out what your competitors have, and you do more than them. So I did take your site and I put it into backlinks is another thing that contributes. So I put it into this tool that tells us what's going on behind the scenes. And a backlink is a link from a third-party site coming into your site. The internet's kind of like a big popularity contest, so when other sites vote for you, aka give you a link back to your site, that in turn moves your site up through the search engines. Now it can't just be, well, it can, you can go ahead and do whatever you want with your site, but in order to have power and to do good things for your site, you want these links to be relevant. For example, if you had a link from Pizza Hut, it's not going to do that much for you because you don't deliver pizzas. But if it's relevant, if it's coming from websites that Google trusts, right? We don't want to have spammy links pointed at your site. But this shows me that you've got, with this site, 58 websites on the internet that are linked back to yours, giving you 203 backlinks, and you're being found for just about 500 keywords. So let's take a look at what you're being found for. Awesome, right? Those are kind of the things that you're wanting to be found for, so that's really great. Now you can see if you had a site that was built and you can make sure, not that it matters, I'm sure you sell all over the place. Yeah, this is awesome, right? Bamboo Clothing Canada, you got 200 people a month searching for that, so right on. Bamboo Bra Canada, awesome. So see, with something like this, when it's got a 0, that means it's not very competitive of a keyword. So those are the things that you'd really want to start looking for to be, 100 people a month are searching for it. So if you go and optimize and write a bunch of content about how, how this is so comfy and this is blah, good for you and on, then it gives Google all those opportunities to scour around when somebody does search that and then offer up you as the results. So hopefully that has helped some. As I said, e-commerce is not my deal. What I will say though is I've got a referral business with my business. So if you did come across anybody that you figure needed my service, I'm definitely going to be telling people about this, because I have a girlfriend that like lives in leggings. She would love to have those, and like myself is not into the polyester and the nylon and all that stuff. I'm cotton and bamboo and that kind of girl. So I will definitely pass it along. So I have a referral program. If anybody was to refer another business to me, I ended up doing work, I definitely give a kickback. So I hope that you're enjoying your weekend. Thanks for dropping your link into the batch, and have an awesome holiday season this year.